Hello folks, this is Aditya Najha from InspiredToRise.com, and today we are going to talk about the Alienware 15 R2 laptop. So guys, let's begin. Like its name suggests, the Alienware 15 R2 comes with a 15-inch Full HD IPS panel and it has a matte finish, so colors on this one look quite good. The keyboard comes with RGB lighting and the mouse pad itself changes colors when you scroll across it, so the touchpad also looks quite great. The keys itself on the keyboard are okay but not that good. In terms of expansion, you get a lot of expansion options on both the left hand side and the right hand side of this laptop, which I would state in the description below. You can check that out. And on the back of this laptop we get dedicated cooling vents because of the fact that it houses really powerful graphics card, and you can see on the back here you also get a connector to connect it to desktop class graphic card, and you also get a HDMI port. You have the necessary LED indicators on this laptop itself, and there are dedicated keys, etc. The overall lighting mechanism of the laptop can also be changed, and the keyboard does feel okay to type on, but the accidental ghosting and other issues were definitely there. And while I was typing on this keyboard, I found out that the tactile feedback was okay, but still not that much great. In terms of hardware, it comes with dedicated options ranging from Core i5 to Core i7 6700HQ, which is a 2.6 GHz Intel Core i7 processor. On this specific model we didn't have the top end specifications, but the top end model comes with 6700HQ and Nvidia GeForce GTX 980M with 4 GB of graphics memory. There is a dedicated software which allows you to change the lighting of your overall computer system, and that makes for a really dope setup. And the display itself is a 15.6-inch display. As we already told you, it's not a glossy display, has matte finish. The laptop is definitely thick and it comes with a NVMe storage 256 GB and also 1 TB HDD, which is at 7200 RPM. The top end model for the Alienware 15 R2 comes at around $2,500, and for this price it's an okay laptop, but it has serious competition from the Asus ROG series. So guys, this was it for this video. In case you like this one, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome videos like this. This is Aditya Najha from InspiredToRise.com signing off folks. Stay inspired to rise.